एक्सट्रेंसिक इवैल्यूएशन एंड दूसरा बात है इंट्रिंसिक इवैल्यूएशन। तो एक्सट्रेंसिक इवैल्यूएशन में आपका क्या है, एन वही एन ग्राम लैंग्वेज मॉडल इज यूज, इट इज एन इन द एप्लीकेशन एंड measure how much the application improves. So to compute two language models, suppose A and B, so we use each of the language model in tasks such as spell correction, MT system, whatever. So, ठीक है, machine translator system. So get an accuracy for A and for B, जैसे आपने उस समय देखा था, that is your Hyundai or Honda, or that is your execution or something. So how many misspelled words corrected properly and how many words translated correctly. Yeah. Spell corrector and then MT system. Then compare the accuracy between these two. जो आपने वहाँ पे देखा था, that how much operation, whether it is deletion, where it is insertion, where it is substitution. Okay, तो these model produces the better accuracy in the better model. So extrinsic evaluation can be time consuming. ये है, ठीक है। So दो तरह के अभी हैं इसमें मॉडल। Then we have an intrinsic matrix is one of the measure of the quality, measures the quality of an model independent of any applications. ठीक है। So when corpus, that is we have a training set of data of the text given and compare two different n-gram model. ठीक है। So for that we are divide the data into the training set and then test sets. ठीक है, आपका जो भी है और जिसको टेस्ट करना है, जो अभी आपने देखा. So train the parameter for both model and both model on this training set, and then we compare how well these two trained models fit for the test set. So whether whenever the model assigns the higher probability to the test set, so the probability based on what? Perplexity is used instead of the raw probability of that. So उसमें आपका so our matrix and evaluating the language.